My experience with Passive Profit Millionaire was a mixed bag, to say the least. Right from the start, I found myself grappling with a significant oversight: the absence of closed captions or transcripts. This was particularly frustrating for someone like me, who often juggles work responsibilities while trying to absorb new information. If the essence of the program is to promote passive income, then the learning process should ideally accommodate multitasking. It felt counterintuitive to engage with a course designed to simplify income generation while facing such a basic accessibility issue. Moreover, the program's heavy reliance on StanStore raised some red flags for me. StanStore is not a free platform, and its prominence in the course felt limiting, especially when there are numerous alternative options available. The digital marketing landscape is already saturated, and the focus on one specific platform felt like a missed opportunity to explore a broader range of tools and strategies. This narrow approach could potentially restrict participants from discovering other avenues that might suit their needs better. Throughout the program, I encountered several audio issues. While these glitches didn't completely overshadow the content, they certainly didn't enhance the experience either. It's the little things that can make a significant difference, and clear audio is crucial in any learning environment. As for the content itself, I found it to be rather basic. The curriculum covered the essentials like setting up an Instagram account and signing up for Canva. While this foundational knowledge is undoubtedly valuable for absolute beginners, those with even a moderate understanding of digital marketing might feel a bit stifled. I found myself skipping through sections, hoping to uncover something more advanced that would justify my time investment. On the positive side, the program was undeniably informative. For newcomers to the digital marketing arena, the presentation style was engaging and easy to follow. The personality of the instructor shone through, making the learning process enjoyable. The platform itself was visually appealing, bright and entertaining, hosted on its own website, which eliminated the hassle of signing up for additional platforms. The program's pricing at $340, which includes the product along with master resell rights, is another aspect that merits discussion. The stipulation that you cannot sell it for less than $340 is a double-edged sword. While it maintains a certain level of value, the reality is that many sellers do undercut this price point. It's a competitive market, and while I understand the rationale behind maintaining a price floor, it's hard to ignore the fact that some individuals will always find a way around it. This reality makes the potential for bundling with other products and adding coaching services an attractive feature. The flexibility to enhance the offering could indeed lead to additional income streams. In addition to my experience with Passive Profit Millionaire, I also provide a free faceless digital marketing program aimed at helping individuals overcome procrastination. This initiative complements the learning journey and can be a valuable resource for those looking to dive deeper into the digital marketing world. For anyone already familiar with Instagram, I believe this program could be a worthwhile investment. Even if you're new to the platform, it might still offer insights worth considering. As I continue to explore other digital marketing and remote business opportunities, I'll be sure to share my findings and keep everyone updated on my progress with this program. As always, I encourage you to like the video and subscribe for updates. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay informed about our latest content. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.